Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the show and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. There's a special gift that Donald Trump gave to the American people today on Mother's Day, and that is they got China to buckle. As you all know, there were meetings in Switzerland between Trump's team and Chinese delegation about making a new trade deal. And well, guess what? Trump just came out and publicly stated that they are on the brink of signing the biggest and best trade deal between China and the United States of America in history. We're about to make a lot of money. As soon as you're in, ladies and gentlemen, smash that thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment. Where are you tuning in from? And before we continue, ladies and gentlemen, today's sponsor is Verity Metals. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Patriot family-owned gold, silver, and precious metals IRA firm, and they protect your finances through physical, constitutional gold and silver, like this 1-ounce American Silver Eagle that I'm holding in my hands. This company is a big supporter of the show and loves the Patriot community. They'll give you free silver on your next qualifying order when you tell them that Vlad sent you. So call or text 480-717-9081. Links are down below in the description. Again, mention me, get free silver. Boom. Now, from here, we're going to jump onto right here. Now, it says breaking. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent strikes breakthrough deal with China. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has reportedly secured a significant trade agreement with China, signaling a potential end to the protracted tariff war between the two economic powerhouses. Over the weekend, high-level talks were held in Geneva between Secretary Bessent, U.S. Trade Representative Jameson Greer, and Chinese Vice Premier He Lifeng. I don't know. Saturday's meeting lasted 8 hours. At one point, the Chinese took a break, but talks resumed shortly afterward. The talks resume on Sunday. And here's what Trump said on Truth Social. A very good meeting today with China in Switzerland. Many things discussed, much agreed to. A total reset negotiated in a friendly but constructive manner. We want to see, for good of both China and the United States, an opening up of China to American business. The great promise made. Now, I watched a little press conference that they held. Guess what? China is going to open their market. Here's one thing that they already agree on. China is going to open their market to American steel, American cars, American aluminum, American gas, oil, food products. Things that they never bought from us before, they will now. They will buy grain, wheat, rice. Ladies and gentlemen, the second most populated country in the world, China, is now going to open their market to American products. The deal is not yet totally, there's still other things they need to discuss and they need to negotiate and agree upon. But here's what we know for sure. They are buckling. They are breaking. Xi goes out and, taunts all this tough guy. But China without the United States is a failing country. China without the United States market is a broke country. China without the United States consumer has nothing. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a president right now, Donald Trump, who wants to make sure we get rich because we have products too, a lot of products that they make. The reason they're not in China is because former presidents made shitty deals to where China dumps their product into our market and to our consumers, but they close the doors to our product when we want to sell to their consumers. But not anymore. A new sheriff is in town, ladies and gentlemen, and I will keep you updated on this story as it moves along, as more breakthrough is made. So make sure to subscribe, smash that thumbs up. God bless you. Have a fantastic Mother's Day. I'm out.